This is my unboxing of the CariPRO toothbrush by smilebrilliant. The first thing I noticed was how well the toothbrush was packaged. The first thing I notice is the nice long power cord and the small docking station. Next, we pull out the two toothbrush heads. And finally, I take out the handle. I notice that has a decent weight to it, but with a very soft grip. Feels sturdy. On the handle, I notice there are two buttons, a power button and a select button, and there are also 5 mode indicators. The brush head just slides right on top, firm, ready to go. And with one click of the button, I can cycle through the different brushing modes. My final first impression, I like the lightweight feel, the nice grip, the small power station. I think I'm going to enjoy it.